Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip with Trade Genius. Well, as we start 2018, I think it's safe to say that the alts are back. And as such, we'd like to look at quality alts that we can swing trade and build up BTC. So looking at Tron in this video, and so what Tron is, it's a blockchain-based, decentralized content entertainment ecosystem. Kind of a mouthful, but basically it would be a platform where the decentralized platform where you could create games, and instead of having to find a publisher and things like that, you can just go there, you could create a game, and basically you could achieve crowdfunding for the game development, or make it possible for people to invest in the game as like an early investor. So really decentralizing the whole gaming platform as far as how it's published, how it's invested, things of that nature. So it's a pretty interesting concept. They actually are looking to partner up with an Asian-based app called Paywo. They have 10 million users. It's going to be the first Tron-compatible entertainment app. And they've been pretty active. If you follow them on social media, they have a lot of things going on. I think they're looking for a Tron-based game to go live in the next month or so. So very active, and the team is actually pretty well qualified. They have some pretty decent Asian executives that come from and Chinese businessmen that have pretty good connections, and so team-wise they look pretty good. So let's look at the technical analysis of Tron, and we can take a look at what might be a good entry based on the latest price action. So what we were looking at now is a 4-hour chart. We had our money machine fire along back here. Those of us in the trading room have been in and out of this a couple of times at least, but basically what we're working on here is this larger fib range, which targets out at about 530. So basically here, kind of the way the alts have been going, you know, we're making a higher high. We'd be looking for a pullback in this area here, and then move on up to see this this fib target. So, you know, I think that this is probably one of those that has some potential. If you want to, you know, you can swing trade it, or you can sock it away, and for a longer term hold. You can see from the beginning of this, or earlier, about midway of December is where it really took off, and I think it's going to be one of those that has some longer term potential. Here's this longer term, or this alternate trend line we could draw here, like that. And so I think anytime you can get a pullback to this, get rid of this other one. You know, if you can get a pullback to that area, I think that's probably a nice place to get in. Also, you'd also look at, there was a lot of accumulation in this area here, and so that's around the 250 level. So maybe have some orders working around that or just above that. Sometimes these have a quick dip like we see here and over here. So sometimes you can catch, if you have working orders that are trailing, you can catch those. So anyway, thought I'd share that one with you guys. I think it has potential. It's the group, or the project is called Tron, and Tronix TRX is the currency of the platform. And I think with the Asian exposure, I think it has pretty good upside potential. So that is basically it for Tronix. Real quickly, we could take a look at Bitcoin, and we had a 4-hour long fire right after the start of the new year, but quickly we got back to an exit. So either chop or we move down lower. I think this price channel, this kind of just helps give us kind of market structure, and I think, you know, until we break out of this price channel up into here, then we start looking for a test of this area here. But again, this could take a week. Based on everything that I see in market cycles, I'm looking at the middle of the month for that to happen. So in the meantime, we're probably going to see a lot of opportunities in the alts until that happens. Then what we're going to look for is whether or not Bitcoin, as it moves up, how does that affect the alt market overall? If we were back toward last year, April, May, June time period, everything was going up together. And then the fork situation happened, and there was this great consolidation and then the start of the alt bear market. So we'll wait to see how that plays out. But right now, we're doing a lot of swing trades in the room and having some pretty good success, actually really good success. So if you guys are interested in that, you can click the link below and check it out. Otherwise, that's it for today's video, guys, and we'll be back tomorrow with another one. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button. It helps us keep these videos coming. Really appreciate that. All right, take care. Bye.